It's Tuesday, campers. We're rolling now. San Diego diagnostic test maker Quidel announced plans to buy the privately held Ohio company Diagnostic Hybrids for about $130 million. Federal banking regulators moved today to seek public input on a plan to link the insurance premiums on U.S. banks to the degree of risk-taking encouraged by their executive pay policies. And on the labor front, the competition for jobs is intensifying as companies are reluctant to hire new workers, leaving millions of unemployed Americans chasing fewer job openings. When the recession began in December of 2007, there were 1.7 jobless people for each opening. Now there are 6.4 people for each opening, a record high. And then, early earnings reports fell shy of investors' high expectations and more worries about the global economy bubbled up. Here are the numbers. Delta Airlines and Continental Airlines will begin charging customers the highest fees in the industry this week for checked bags, tempting other carriers to follow suit. The new fees apply to flights within and between the U.S., the Virgin Islands, Canada, and Puerto Rico. And the Federal Reserve reaped quite a nice reward for its rescue efforts during the financial crisis. According to preliminary 2009 results, the central bank made a whopping $52 billion in profit. But under the board's policy, the reserve banks are required to transfer their net income to the U.S. Treasury after providing for the payment of statutory dividends to member banks and equating surplus to paid-in capital. Those dividends were $1.4 billion, while the capital was $4.6 billion. Taxpayers supposedly get the rest, which is around $46 billion. For the Business Press, I'm Dave Kaufman. Join us again tomorrow for another Biz Minute.